What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to check storage space on your laptop on your Windows 11. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first and foremost step is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the disk management. You just need to search here like this for the disk management, and you have to click on the create and format hard disk partitions. And right now that's going to take you to this, and if you click on this one, that's going to take you to this, and if you expand this, you can completely get a detail on how much is the space available on your device. If I check over here, as you can see, this is the local disk C, and if I go over here, as you can see, the capacity of my local disk C is around 22.62 GB, and I have already used up 32% of it, and I'm having 70.58 GB free, which is around 32% of it. And also if you check on the D, it is around the capacity is 465 GB for both D and E, and the free space is around 91.91 GB, and also the free space is around 51.36 GB. So this is how you can get a base idea on how much space is being left on your device. And apart from this, if you wanted to get a completely how much kind of video is being allocated and what are the other things allocated on a device, you can do this. So to do this, just go over here and close this. Now from here we have to search here for the settings, and you have to click on the settings. Now from here you have to click over here and navigate to the system. Now from here, if you scroll down over here, click on the storage, and as you can see, if you check the base, the default one, that is local disk C, you can get a complete details about it. Like as you can see, for me, I'm getting a complete details on how much is being utilized for the installed apps, how much is being utilized for the documents, how much is being utilized for the temporary files, and how much is being utilized for other activities as well. And also one more thing that I wanted to give you a complete details around is that around 222 GB, that is 152 GB is completely being used, and around 17.5 GB is absolutely free. And even if I scroll down, make sure one thing that you have to always turn on the storage sense and go over here on the cleanup recommendations. And over here you can see some of these are actually downloaded, and some of them are like cache files and all those things, which is around, if I click on the cleanup GB, which is around 2.9 GB, I'll be getting an extra space of 2.09 GB, which is absolutely saved for the download files and all those things, caches and all those things. So this is how you can find this out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.